Hey Trace, how are we all doing? Previously I didn't actually have this up here. I was having some internet issues. Surprise, surprise. 2 seconds. Bit of a parched throat. Okay, so we've got CANN. Get my face out of the way. Cannabis stock. And interesting, there was an article I just saw that's been released on the 31st about 244 marijuana stocks and just, relating to potential portfolio growth. No, that are actually up 75% of year-to-date highs. Okay, so interesting. Again, there's no trading going on tonight for me, but I just want to put together a brief little, I would call this a watch list. It's more some ideas. What I really like to see is pre-market, and that will update my positions. Now, this week I am working mornings, so that means getting up about 2:30, so I'm on about 3 hours sleep for for Wednesday morning, Thursday morning, and Friday morning. So that's fine. That's fine. KOSS. What is going on here? These guys had earnings out as well, which was interesting because if you go back, it really hadn't done anything, and there was trading on the 26th, I believe. There was trading on the 26th. Don't think that was not a close of market what they call it. Christmas Day, New Year's Day apparently is, which is a damn shame. I guess a lot of people would be like hungover anyway, so regretting whatever they did last night. I hope everyone had a great celebration. I worked so early, and then I had athletics training, so yep, happy days. So after hours trading, it did find a bit of support in the 220s, 228 is what I'm seeing here. So, and it closed at 268. So at 268 to 228 did buy. I mean, I like it to panic some more. Maybe where it had some support down here in the 150s, 170s before that move there. No great line. It's really interesting. Must have got halted here. That's what I'm thinking. So, yeah. So it could find a little bit of base off $2 maybe to a 6. But we'll see, guys. What you want to see is you want to see it dip down pretty aggressively, and then a little bit of consolidation, just a little bit, maybe 1 or 2 candles, and then off it goes. Maybe even more than 1 or 2 candles. But I'll be watching this one, guys. I'll be watching CANN as well. So that was an earnings winner. CAN. The marijuana is a little hot now. The thing is, I mean, blockchain, Bitcoin, for this year, it's still going to be big. I've got MGT up, MGTI up. Here is an example. Pretty interesting. No, not interesting. Pardon me. What was the other one? BCTS. Barclays. Anyway, we'll work that out. But definitely, what I do though is I update this once things are moving pre-market, because I see that as a bit of a key indicator to what's going on. So this is just preparing me for tomorrow's session. What else is going on? Well, this had significant volume, which is good to see. SGMD, let's get that chart. And then you want to sort of find ones that hold their gains not too badly, and then petering out like that's fine. It's a nice looking chart. Well, cannabis. I mean, it seems to be Sugar Made is a brand, market company. Distributed for paper made from campfire hands without boom. Alright, so I understand I'm just reading like the description, but so they're in paper and plastic, like cups and things like that. Okay, so that's interesting news how they brought that out. They're sort of jumping on the bandwagon there a little bit. Sugar Made outlines corporate change to facilitate becoming one of the world's largest publicly traded cannabis supply company. Alright, well, look, you want to trade that hype and sell when the news comes out of, things are a little challenging, very low priced. Not a bad looking charming volume. Good volume. I don't really like seeing the price tag. What about the 5 minute? Oh my god, what happened? Okay, so interesting how it's like that. I'd like to see it come back down to the 25s for a bounce potentially. Maybe let it break out a little bit, fail, fizzle out, come back down, off we go. So I'll add SGMD into the mix as well. The Bitcoin plays weren't that active, so we'll see what happens. I mean, get the chart up. I think I saw a video Tim made about, more downside, and you can't really say he's totally wrong. I mean, obviously Bitcoin is extremely volatile, but this is interesting. It's bouncing, but it's a weaker bounce, so we'll see. But if this, that's not a good sign, really. So, just looking at that, I'm no Bitcoin expert. I don't understand it all. I'm not saying it's not going to get to, 100,000. I would say it's much more likely that it will. It's always going to be worth something to certain people, and I understand that, so and I respect that. It's just interesting, and what I'm trying to do here with the stock trading, and mostly OTC lower price stocks, is that if you have a company heavily, reliant upon the price, if they mine it or if they're just into it, if that goes up, people are like, wow, that company is associated with that, I'm going to invest my money. So that's what I'm looking to see. But, the marijuana stocks were interesting Friday, so I want to bring that point of view across as well. So SGMD, CAN, and KOSS as a contract earnings play. Even though they came out on the 27th. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'm going to conclude the video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Good luck for tomorrow, and let's have a great 2018. Bye for now.